Everybody, it's me, the unsound Wall Street from the Ford New York Stock Exchange, ready to find assumptions into oil, the ceiling, the floor. Wall Street Global Trading Academy, this is the week. This is the week that rocks. We launched our course, the futures course for Wall Street Global Trading Academy. David Green on a roll. We're doing live trade the opening bell with David on Mondays and Fridays. We're blowing it out of the water. We did a masterclass webinar yesterday. A couple thousand people registered, 600 people showed off. They're loving the new course. You want to get involved? You want to learn? You want to learn to trade? You want to learn to trade futures? Come check us out. There is so much content, so much love, so much interest to be part of this family. Come and join us. Today was spectacular. Never another down day on Wall Street. Nothing but green on the screen. We closed up about 40 handles on the SPY, up 150 points on the Dow, a billion shares on the tape, 2-to-1 advances versus declines. Nothing but green on the screen, obviously, except the VIX. Obviously, all the positive news is all about the fact that, look, government's closed. We don't know. We're traveling blind. However, the fact that President Trump in the middle of the day announced that he has a meeting in South Korea with President Xi, forget about it. That's all anybody needed. That is the canary in the coal mine, as it was. That is the secret sauce. That's what we've all been waiting for. Are we trading blind? Absolutely, as far as economic data goes. Do we not know what the economic data has been for the last 3 weeks? No, we don't. Do we know what the Fed's going to do in the October meeting, in the December meeting? No, we do not. But for some reason, it really doesn't matter. We're hitting record highs across the board. We've had a couple of small pullback red days. No one's giving this market a chance at all to sell off in any respect. So solid day on Wall Street, good volume, beautiful breadth across the board, great footprint. It was not a individual sector rally. It was a really solid. We've had earnings. Earnings have been good, right? And so banks are good. That whole story about the regional banks and fear about that did not have any legs. So we're closing out a Thursday, coming into the end of the week, coming into the end of October. October, the fear was that there was a little bit of PTSD around the crash of 1987. Yes, I was here for that, but it doesn't seem to have panned out because we are trading at record highs across the board. So all that being said, all eyes are on tomorrow. Once we know, even though the market may not reopen tomorrow, we are going to get that economic data. We are going to start to hear from the Fed. We are going to get a little bit of a sense of that. Any bullback we had over the last couple of days may have been about that anxiety there, but the VIX were down today. Fear out of the market. Rally, rally, rally. Green is supreme. Cash is king. I love you. WSGTA.com. David Green, the Einstein of Wall Street. Go out there. You want to learn? You want to learn? You want to learn to trade? You want to learn to trade futures? Apex Trader Funding. Kick ass. Take names. Go check the link in my bio tomorrow morning, 8:30 to 10. Trade the opening bell with David Green. I love you. Goodbye.